They arrive in the backstretch. They're ready for a start. They're off. Hide Me Away, Shark on Board came away the best. Mr. Goviani Frost up close to the pace, joined wide by Red Side Manor, moving for the first turn. Shark on Board and Hide Me Away do early battle. Hide Me Away, 3/4 of a length in front. Shark on Board is reined back into the pocket successfully by Chris Page. Red Side Manor advances in the two-path. Red Side Manor takes his shot now at Hide Me Away. Mr. Goviani Frost a close-up fourth, 3 lengths off the leaders. A length and a half to King's Legend, followed by City Image. The trailing pair are Rock and Dream and Totalitarian. Red Side Manor forges to the front off a 28-1 first quarter, and past us the first occasion, Danny Dubé and Red Side Manor lead Hide Me Away by a length and 3/4. Similar margin to Shark on Board, third by 2. Mr. Goviani Fry is fourth. Floating wide out of the midfield, King's Legend has 6.5 lengths to make up. Rock and Dream is out to track cover wide of City Image. At a long last, Totalitarian faltered past us. 7. Totalitarian has lost contact with the main body of the field. 57 seconds for the half mile. Totalitarian has been eased. Up the backstretch, it is Red Side Manor now being tackled by King's Legend. These two level, now King's Legend with the head in front. King's Legend quickly extends his lead to a length and a half at the 5/16. Red Side Manor gave way with little resistance. Shark on Board slid wide, is uncovered in 3 from the front. A lengthy inside, Hide Me Away. A lengthy outside, Mr. Goviani Fra. 1 3/4 to Rock and Dream, just wide of City Image at the back of this main body of the field. 3/4, 1:24-2. It was a 27-2 third quarter, and King's Legend turns it up a notch at head stretch. He's kicked clear by 3.5. Red Side Manor driven to hold second. Shark on Board leveled off. Gaining down the outside as Rock and Dream late on the scene. But up to the line, King's Legend lives up to 1-5 billing. King's Legend won by 4. Photo for second. Red Side Manor joined wide by Rock and Dream. Then Hide Me Away. Mr. Goviani Fra, the maroon, followed next in by City Image. And last of those finishing, Shark on Board. 1:50, 3 flat the winning time.